हेलो हाय, दिस इज़ रिचा शर्मा और इस वक्त मैं हूँ कश्मीर श्रीनगर में इस नगीन लेक पे और इस हाउस बोट में, जो कि बहुत ब्यूटीफुल है, बहुत ही कंफर्टेबल है। इस बोट का नाम है, इस हाउस बोट का नाम है शालीमार हाउस बोट। तो आप लोगों को कभी भी मन करे तो यहाँ पर आएँ, रहें, इंजॉय करें, अपनी लाइफ के बेस्ट मोमेंट्स को इंजॉय करें, बिकॉज़ यहाँ का वेदर, एटमॉस्फेयर, व्यू, स्टाफ, सभी लोग, स्पेशली जो हमारे इसके ओनर हैं आशिक भाई, आपको ऐसा फील कराएंगे जैसे आप अपने ही खुद के घर में हैं। और जो यहाँ का स्टाफ है, हमें तो जो मिले हैं वो अशफाक जी, जो पिछले 11 सालों से इस हाउस बोट को टेक केयर कर रहे हैं, सभी गेस्ट को टेक केयर कर रहे हैं। बहुत अच्छा लगा सबसे मिलके, और खाना तो यमी एकदम, आपके मन मुताबिक, जैसा आपका टेस्ट है वैसे आपको खाना भी मिलेगा। सो मेक श्योर जब भी श्रीनगर आएँ तो नगीन लेक पे शालीमार हाउस बोट में ही रहें।
तो दोस्तों, आज हम आ चुके हैं श्रीनगर में, और श्रीनगर में हमने स्टे किया है शालीमार हाउस बोट में। काफ़ी अच्छा स्टे रहा है हमारा अभी तक, काफ़ी अच्छी सर्विस है और काफ़ी सपोर्ट है। बहुत ही अच्छा इन्होंने हमें हॉस्पिटैलिटी दिखाई है, काफ़ी अच्छा फूड भी रहा है। तो दोस्तों, मिलते हैं यहाँ के ओनर मिस्टर आशिक से, राइट, और जानते हैं यहाँ के बारे में कि यहाँ पर कैसी सर्विसेज हैं, वो क्या कब से हैं यहाँ पर, और कितना उन्होंने यहाँ पे समय बिताया है, और क्या क्या फैसिलिटीज़ हैं यहाँ पर इस हाउस बोट में, राइट। चलिए मिलते हैं, आइए। Right, so we have Aashiq sir here, who is owning the Shalimar houseboat. So, can you please give us a quick brief about your boat and your services, sir,
Sure,
please?
sir. My name is Aashiq. I am a owner of Shalimar Group of houseboats, and we are dealing. We have this houseboat since 80 years.
80s?
80 years.
80 years.
80.
Wow.
My grandfather was, running this property since 80 years, and he have been working with, with the tourism since almost 8 years. And after that, my father has been dealing. We actually, this is a business runs by family.
It's a family business. Okay,
This is a family business. So we are in. I am myself in this trade. I am myself last 25 years now. So we are.
It's a great experience.
We have a great experience of this houseboat, and we are trying our level best to promote tourism in Kashmir.
Awesome.
We are dealing with Gulmarg tours, Pahalgam tours, and Sonamarg tours, as well as Ladakh tours.
Wow. So, can you please tell us about the place where this houseboat is situated?
Yes,
like
sir.
in which lake it is?
This is called Nagin Lake.
What is the speciality of this lake?
Nagin Lake is Nagin Lake is called, actually it's called a jewel of crown.
Oh, right.
Jewel of crown, yeah.
Jewel of Crown. Okay.
Jewel of crown, yeah.
Okay.
This lake is very beautiful, and this is very clean lake, and people can come here. International tourists are coming as well here for to have their honeymoon stays at houseboats, and they can go early morning to see the floating markets, floating gardens.
Yeah, yeah.
And they can see also the beautiful view from the balconies. We have a balcony of the houseboat.
Can we have a quick look of
Yes,
your
sir.
balcony?
We have a balcony of the houseboats, and we do have also. You can see this is a balcony of houseboat. People can sit down here and relax. They can have Kashmiri kahwa here.
Oh,
Early
wow.
in the morning, they can watch a sunrise. Right now, you cannot watch, the mountain clearly because it's too dark. Right now, it's almost 10 p.m. in the 10 p.m.
Okay.
So early morning, you will be able to see a sunrise from here from the balcony. People can do yoga. People can do meditation over here.
Wow.
It's very peaceful spot. Very relaxed. People. There is no noise of traffic. There is no pollution. There is. It's a really hygienic place. You can have hygienic food at this place as well. We have a common room as well as living room here. People can relax here and
Very nice.
enjoy the evening, enjoy the morning, enjoy the afternoons. We do have all the facilities here with the power backup, with this cable network, free Wi-Fi, and we do
Very
have,
good.
yeah, we do have like fresh air. You can breathe the air from. You don't need air conditions here. We do have fans here, but mostly we don't need the fans here because we have the doors. You can open the doors as well. You can open the door of the sting room.
I'm gonna have the fresh air,
You
right?
can have the fresh air from the door.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
See, this is the lake also here. It's very, very clean. We really care for our environment here. Nobody is
Awesome.
throwing, the garbage. Nobody is throwing plastics. And as well, in summertime, you can see the water lilies from here. You can see lotus flowers as well. Early morning, the flower man can come. Flower man is coming most of time. During the day also. Early morning here to sell the flowers.
Oh, wow.
Guests here.
Awesome. Awesome.
At winter time, you can close the door and relax at evening. There is heating systems we do have in houseboats as well.
What do we call it?
We call it Bukhari.
Bukhari.
Yeah, it's actually our tradition in Kashmir. We burn the wood of the.
And how does it work?
We burn the wood. You can see we burn the wood.
All right.
And we have, this is kind of a pipes, and it goes out all the smoke and it goes out.
Okay.
So we close all the doors of the houseboat, and people can sit here, relax here, and watch the telly, and watch the cricket match, watch the sports. Channels. There is all the sports channels is working on the telly, and they can relax also here, have cup of tea, have kahwas, have a great food here.
Wow.
We have Kashmir.
They can chill here, right? They can watch the TV and they can chit-chat even, right?
Yeah.
Okay, this is common. This is a common living room,
Yeah,
right?
it's a common living room. They can play the cards, they can play the games here. With the families also, they can sit with the family or with the kids. They can relax here.
They can
play the
relax
games,
here.
Play the chess
Okay.
games, play
Alright.
the cards or whatever
Wow.
the games they have.
Sounds good.
And they can relax at evening. It's warm, very warm here. It's
Yeah.
also inside is very
Even
warm.
I can feel the warmness. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
24/7 we are at the service of to the client.
24/7, right?
24/7. Yes.
All right, sounds great. And what is the next?
Next room is.
This is dining.
This is called this is the dining room. Yes, sir. This is dining room. Here we serve the food with the breakfast in the morning. It starts at 6 o'clock till 11 o'clock, 11:30.
Okay.
And after that we serve. We serve in the morning. Like, it depends on what clients are. What they want to have on the breakfast. They can have tea, coffee. They can have
Whatever they want based on their like or dislikes, right?
Yes, sir. And after that, they can have lunch here. We sell with Indian continental food.
All right.
Yeah.
This is really a nice table. Like I have seen whatsoever, right? So can you tell me about this? Like, what exactly is this?
This is a wood carving made in Kashmir. Actually, this is walnut wood.
This is walnut wood.
This is walnut wood. Yeah, we have like handmade things made by Kashmir. Like, we are very famous for walnut chairs, walnut trees. Walnut dining tables, dining chairs. And we are very famous for Kashmiri carpets. We're famous for pashminas. We're famous for spices. We're famous for saffron. We are famous for dry fruits in Kashmir.
All right.
Yes, sir. We
So
don't have any industries in Kashmir.
it
We
looks
have
like
handmade things.
it looks very costly.
Yes, it is. It is round about 1,50,000 rupees.
What?
1,50,000. 150,000 rupees.
1,50,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
It's very costly.
Yeah, dining for 8 people and chair for 8 chairs.
8 chairs,
Yeah.
including in the same cost, right?
Yeah, including
Oh, okay.
same cost, yes.
All right. Great. So, like, you have a very great stuff in your furniture, right? I have
Yes.
seen, and
We really
I
care
can
for
see the
our-
crockery you're using. This is a daily use crockery.
Yeah, this is daily use crockery, and every morning when a person is here, and we cleans, like, it takes us almost half a day to clean this whole boat for 2 people.
Nice.
We really care for our houseboat, for our business, for our clients, because this is how we are making our living. All
Yeah.
the family is depending on this business. My
Yeah.
mom, my dad, my kids, my all the families actually.
The entire family is
Yes, entire families.
devoting.
Yes, around the year, 12 months we are. Working on this.
Great.
We
Great.
try our best to promote our business.
All
so
right.
yeah, it will be like
I can.
We are in TripAdvisor. We are in.
Oh, you are so
Yes,
entrepreneurs.
we are in TripAdvisor. We have a good rating in TripAdvisor. We
Okay.
are in Google's. We are in Hostel World. We are in Make My Trip. We are in Go IBBO.
All right.
We are in
So
Expedias.
if someone wants to search you like on these portals, right?
Yes, sir.
What they exactly they need to type?
They
Like,
can type Shalimar Houseboats or Deluxe Houseboat in Kashmir. They
all
can
right,
find us.
you will find. They will
There
find
are my
it.
numbers. There are a website called ShalimarHouseboats.com.
Okay, Shalimar Hot Tour.
Yeah.
Okay, you have your own.
ShalimarHouseboats.com.
All right. So if you want to, like, if you want to share your number, you can share on this right now.
Yeah, there is my number is +91 9906 582726.
All right, sounds great. So these are your badges, right?
Yes, sir. This is the refrigerator here, and this is my office here.
All right.
Yeah, where all clients can get a free information about Kashmir to visit to the places. We have a beautiful places to visit in Kashmir, which is called the Great Lakes of Kashmir.
The Great Lakes.
Of Kashmir, where people can go for a trek and camping as well for 6 nights to 10 nights.
So are you also in this
Yes.
like planning
Yeah,
or?
we are dealing with the treks of Kashmir, like 3 nights, 4 days trek, 4 nights, 5 days trek, 5 nights, 6 days trek, or Great Lakes, 6 nights, 7 days trek, where we can provide all the equipments like tents, sleeping bags, mattress, boots, and horses as well, and the ponies as well, and chefs and professional guides who can explain them to the name of the places and to show the adventure.
Awesome. All right. Like one shop stopper, right? Kind of.
Sorry, sir?
Like you have a service is like a one shop stopper.
Yes, sir.
Like if someone coming, he will find everything, right? Or
We can say, sir, we are not 100% best, but we are trying our level best to give a good service to our clients.
Awesome. I understand this is a late night. Right now it's
Yes,
late
sir.
night, right? We
Yes, sir.
cannot visit the rooms right
Yes,
now.
your guests are staying here. I mean, if you want to have a great reviews, you can talk to them in the morning. They will tell about us and about the services, about the houseboat, about the food quality, about all the things which they have experienced at our place.
Sounds great. All right. Aashiq, thanks a lot for your detailed information about yourself and your boat and your services, right?